it's springtime. I mean, somebody should really tell the weather that, as it's freezing. But whatever, the birds are chirping, the flowers are blooming, it's springtime. Just as lots of people give the house a spring clean, now is a great time to spring clean your website, and you can do this by auditing your content. Conducting a content audit can provide you with insights into what type of content is performing the best with your audience. It can improve your content's return on investment, and it can improve your content marketing strategy for the future. Plus, cleaning and organising is scientifically proven to be good for you. I'm a bit lazy when it comes to cleaning my house, but I'm getting really stuck into spring cleaning my website. Here are some steps that you can follow to spring clean your website using content auditing. Before diving into your content audit, first you should set yourself some clear goals, as this will help you to better determine which content is working well, what needs improving and updating, and what you need to get rid of. By keeping the goals of your content audit in mind, you'll find it easier to get the big picture on your goals overall. So have a think about your goals. What is it you want to do? Are you wanting to improve your SEO results? Do you want to increase your audience engagement? Or do you want to improve conversion rates? Depending on your goals, you can consider different criteria for each page or post. For instance, to improve SEO results, you can look over and optimize internal linking, meta descriptions, key phrases, heading tags, and a bunch of other stuff. To increase your audience engagement, you'll be looking at things on your audit like what topics your audience is most interested in. And to improve your conversion rates, you'll identify the most efficient content for each stage of your buyer's journey. Okay, the next step is to create a content inventory. So you'll want to compile a list of all your URLs and put them into a spreadsheet. If your site's small, you can do this manually, but I thought my site was pretty small and it turns out that there were 173 URLs. So I'm not going to make a manual list of that. If you've got a ton of content on your website, this task might be more time consuming. So you could try using a crawling tool like Screaming Frog, which is the one that I used. This is free to use for up to 500 URLs. And it will list the title of content, what kind of content it is, so whether it's blog page, landing page, product description. It'll have the date of the publication of that page or when it was last modified, metadata such as the title and description, and other metrics such as the number of page visits, time spent on the page, conversion rate, backlinks, shares, ranking for the main keywords, all sorts of things. Okay, the next thing to do is to analyse your content. So you can consult your analytics tool. I use Google Analytics, but other tools are available to discover all of the key metrics that you need to know about each page. As you build this list of your content inventory, you will be able to easily identify which content is not performing as well as you'd like it to be. And lastly, then you can take action. So once you've taken in the inventory for all of your content and analysed its performance, then you can take action. So you should be able to now identify which content is performing well for you, what you need to change or update, and what content you're going to need to get rid of. At this stage, you should go back to the goals that you set for your content audit. So if your main goal is to improve conversions, then you'll mainly want to focus on metrics such as conversion rate and time spent on your page. And now it's time to add new content. So you've got rid of all the bump that you don't need, and after analysing your content, you know what works now. So now's a great time to add some new content to your website. Google's going to rank your content much higher if it is fresh and relevant and has industry-related keywords used in all the right places. So now is also a great time to call me at JLM Copywriting and get your website sparkling for spring. I specialise in blog posts, so you'll always have regular, relevant and engaging content ready to go. So send me a message today or give me a call.